birthday mo. Ayan. So, ipapasa ni Kuya. Okay, pasa mo. Pasa mo yung paso. Pasa. Okay, pasa. Dapat pabilis ang pagpasa nyo ha. Pasa, pasa. Ayan. Once na umistop ang music, kung kanina natigil ang cup, siya na ang ma-out. So, syempre, sample pa lang. So, kids, kada may ma-out, ang sasabihin nyo ay, bye-bye! Okay? Gets na ba, kids? Okay, kids, ready na ba kayo? Kailangan ni Ate Aisay ng mas malakas at mas energetic. Okay, kids, ready na ba kayo? Ayan. Okay, bibigay ko kay birthday boy ang cup. And habang tumutugtog, kailangan ni Ate Isaya na sumasayaw kayong lahat. Okay, kids, ready? Okay, para lang, kids.
Kissy face, setting on right. I'm trying to kiss your
And 3, 2, 1. Ayan, saan ang pangalan ni baby girl? Okay, Gabe. Ayan. Okay, Gabe. Lapit ka na kay Ate Saya for your prize. Ayan, may prize ka pa rin. Okay, kids, ano nang sasabihin? Bye-bye! Ayan. Okay, ibibigay ko naman kay baby girl ang baso. Okay, kids? Ready? And
me at the
It's whatever.
three, 2, 1, Kay baby Aubrey. Ayan. Okay, baby Aubrey. Kids, anong sasabihin? Okay, baby Aubrey. Lapit ka na for your prize. Ayan. Okay, bibigay ko ulit kay baby girl. Okay. Okay, kids, and
So now you know the game.
Marie!
Are you ready?
Okay, kids, anong sasabihin? Okay, ayan. Oh, form a big circle ulit. Magandang circle naman. Magandang circle. Okay, baby boy, dito ka pa, sali ka ba? Di ka pa out. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, so kanina, ang binigay ni Ate Isay sa inyo, excuse po, ang binigay ni Ate Isay ng off sa inyo ay isa lang. So, ngayon magiging dalawa na. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa na rin po ang ma-out. Okay, ready? Okay, hawak mo muna. And ikaw. Okay, baby boy, ipapasa mo kay Kuya Angel. And ikaw naman kay baby girl. Okay, wala pa, kids. Okay, kids. And pass the ball. Mabilis, mabilis dapat. okay? Joke lang. Dalawa pala ulit. Dalawang cup ulit tayo ibibigay na Ate Isaiah, okay?
To make you stay for sure. Did somebody break your heart? Looking like
Ready? Mabilis! Hindi na magbibilang si Ate Isaiah, okay?
too far, but I still love that. It's always love. It's always love. It's always love. Do you lose me? 'Cause I still love that. Baby,
Ang galing mo! Siniksik mo talaga sa atin. Ayan! Kay birthday kuya! At sa isa pa nating kuya. Ayan, lapit tayo kay Kuya Leo for your prize. At sa lahat ng natira kayo na ang ating winner for our first day. Ayan! Lapit na kayo, please! Lapit na kayo sa harap.
be falling, you smell the brown cash. Make you stay, but you let something it's
Okay na, message na lang.
Ate Gabe! Ate Gabe!
Okay, message.
Kay Ate Gabe, message ko for Kuya Blair. Next ako ay si Summer.
Sam?
Kay Ate Summer, message for Kuya Blair. Next up is si Ate Rai Rai. Ayan, Ate Rai Rai, message for Kuya Blair.
Ah.
And last but not least, Ate Katie.
Ate Kaylee. Picturean mo sila pagka...
Lolo ko. Okay, Ate Katie, message for Kuya Blair.
Happy birthday, Blair! Thank you for being a great brother.
Okay, let me call on the 7th CV and on to our 7th chocolate. Ayan, let me call on Kuya Cloud. Kuya Cloud?
Mag-message.
Kuya Cloud, okay, message po for Kuya Blair. Ayun, ayan, picture from Kuya Blair.
Cloud, doon ka!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile! And let us now proceed to Ate Bella and Kuya Calix.
Bella! Message! A picture.
Ayan.
One,
In picture 1, 2, 3, smile! Elaborate po, Ate Zia.
Tia!
Ate Zia.
Tia! Oo. Hindi, lagay mo lang sa gilid dun.
Ate Zia. Blair.
Birthday Blair. So bless you.
A picture.
Okay, picture po with Kuya Blair. Let me, Kuya JM. Ayan, Kuya JM. For Kuya Blair. Very short message lang. Ayan, picture baby boy with Kuya Blair. And last natin ay si Ate Francesca.
Yes niya.
Ate Francesca.
Hindi ka na banggit.
Sana tumanda kang may tawad sa Diyos. Tapos maging mabuti nga na kay Tita Carissa and kay Tito Vincent. Very lagi.
A picture, be.
Ayan. So po sa lahat ng nagbigay ng 7 chocolates kay Kuya Blair, labit ko sana for picture taking.
Happy birthday, Blair. Sana makinig ka na sa mama mo.
Happy birthday, Blair. Sana huwag ka na makulit.
A picture, picture.
Ayan, picture po with Blair. Ayan. Let me now call on Tita Glendale. Glendale po ba to? And Tito John.
Asa na?
Ayan. Message po for birthday.
Ayaw mga umiyak eh.
Ayan.
Picture,
Picture po with Kuya Blair. Next up is si Tito Shella po.
Mamaya, tatawagin kita. Okay. Magme-message. Sinong sinabot ko sa akin? Sabi. Hindi ako na kasi.
Happy birthday, Blair. Magpakabait ka pa lang. Magkaroon ka lang ng takot sa isa.
Ay, Tito Rap na lang sa akin. Na-picture na siya.
Okay, next up is si Summer. Asa po si Summer? Ayan. Give it to Kuya Blair. Give it to Kuya Blair. Ayan.
A picture.
Okay, baby girl, picture ka. Picture kayo ni Kuya Blair. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, next na po natin ay ang acrylic markers. Ayan. Si Aiden po, nandito na po. Aiden, ayan. Ayan, picture po ni Kuya Blair. Next up is si Jana. Dito po ba si Jana?
Yan na picture. Picture.
Next up is si Ate Ara. Asa po si Ate Ara? Ayan.
Hi, Blair. Happy birthday. Thank you for inviting me. And I hope you enjoy your birthday today. And makikita palagi nila mama mo. Hindi mo makikamit ka dyan. Thank you.
Picture po with Blair. Ayan. Let me follow Ryan and Leo.
Eyo.
Birthday message for Kuya Blair.
Hindi kayo nakapag...
Ayan, picture po with Blair.
Smile, Blair. Sia.
Next up ay si Sia. Ayan po ba Sia? Ayan. Ayan. Message for Kuya Blair.
Happy birthday, Kuya Blair.
Picture, Blair.
Ayan. Picture ka po muna with Kuya Blair.
1, 2, 3.
Okay po sa lahat po natin.
Smile. Jana.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Ayan. time ay ang ating 7th class. Okay, si Ninong Kevin. Ayan, 4th class.
Puro ako. Message. Message. Picture.
Ayan, picture po with Blair. Ayan.
1, 2.
Next up is si Ninong Marion.
Happy birthday.
Para happy birthday.
Very short message po lahat. Ano? Ayan. Ninong
Mamaya,
Gerald.
pinicture ako na.
Dito po ba si Ninong Gerald? Sige. Oh, yeah. Okay, message. Message for Kuya Blair.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Ah!
Ayan, picture kayo, baby boy ni Kuya Blair. Ayan.
1.
Si Ninong Rosel. Asan po si Ninong Rosel?
Wow!
Ayan.
Ganun talaga.
Ayan, message po for Blair.
Ano makikang Nino?
Gaga. Picture.
Ayan, picture po with Blair.
Nakapanti! Nakapanti!
Ayun, ang kinis! Ayan! Okay. So, i-demonstrate ni Kuya Leo ang mechanics. So, i-explain ko rin po. Pag sinabi ko pong bounce, 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 iba-bounce niyo po yung hawak niyong baso sa upuang nakapalibot dito. Okay? Bounce, 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 exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Iikot niyo po ang hawak niyong baso sa kung anong parte ng katawan na gusto niyo pong ikutan. Okay? Bali, magsisilbi po, bola ang hawak ng baso at magsisilbing ring ang isa pang baso nasa upuan. Once na sinabi ko pong shoot,
Sige na.
i-shoot nyo lang po. Okay.
Pipicture muna.
Player number 1 yung nasa harap,
Sige,
taas
hindi
ang
ka
kamay.
nakakita.
Player number 1. Player number 2. Taas ko ang kamay. Player number 2. Player number 3. Player number 4. And player number 5. Hindi na po magbabago ang inyong mga player number. Okay? Okay, first round. Player number 1. Babagal lang po tayo for our first round. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Bounce, 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 bounce. And pass it to player number 5. Player number 5. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Bounce, 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 bounce. And pass it to player number 2. Player number 2. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And pass it to player number 3. Player number 3. Pass it to player number 3. Player number 3. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Bounce, 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 bounce. And pass it to player number 5. Player number 5. Pass it to player number 2. Player number 2. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Bounce, 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 bounce. And pass it to player number 1. Player number 1. Pass it to player number 2. Player number 2. Pass it to player number 3. Player number 3. Pass it to player number 4. Player number 4. Shoot! Sino ba ang nauna? Sino ba Okay, player number 1. Race to 3 lang po ang ating game. So, once na nakapag-3 points na po kayo, kayo na po ang winner. Okay, player number 1. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Bounce, 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 bounce. And pass it to player number 4. Player number 4, pass it to player number 3. Player number 3, bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to player number 2. Player number 2, bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to player number 5. Player number 5, pass it to player number 5. Player number 5, bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to player number 2. Player number 2, pass it to player number 3. Player number 3, bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Bounce, 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 bounce. And pass it to player number 4. Player number 4, bounce, bounce, bounce. Pass it to player number 1. Player number 1, bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Bounce, 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 bounce. And pass it to player number 4. Player number 4, pass it to player number 2. Player number 2, player number 3. Player number 3, shoot! Sabay na naman kayo. Asan yung nag-shoot? Asa po yung nag-shoot? Okay. For our first point, magja-jack and poy po ang nag-shoot. Isang point lang po. Ready? One, jack and poy po ah. 1, 2, 3, go! Jack and poy! So, ang ating first point ay mapupunta sa ating Team Mommy! So, yan! Okay. Player number 1, lapit. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Bounce, 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 bounce. And pass it to play number 3. Play number 3. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to play number 2. Play number 2. Pass it to play number 2. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to play number 5. Play number 5. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to play number 3. Play number 3. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition. Ang taas naman. And pass it to play number 4. Play number 4. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to play number 4. Play number 4. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to play number 3. Play number 3. Pass it to play number 2. Play number 2. Pass it to play number 2. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to play number 5. Play number 5. Shoot! Gusto ko yung confidence mo, makasal, magtaas ng shoot. Ayan, so 2 points na po for Team Mommy. Ayan. Okay. For our next round, nung unang round and second round po ay ang ating ay bounce and exhibition. Diba? For our next round ay gagawin na natin, dadagdagan na natin. Pag sinabi ko po 8, 8, 8, 8 lang po. 8, 8 ang babagal o mabilis. Pag sinabi ko po spaghetti babagal lang. Parang nagsisisi ka ngayon mo, no? Spaghetti babagal lang. Ayan. Spaghetti babagal lang. Okay. Okay, ready? Paalala lang po sa Team Daddy, isang puntos na lang po for Team Mommies at sila na po ang mananalo. Kung makakayaan niyo po silang manalo, kasalanan niyo po yan, ha? Huwag kayong maninisi. Okay! Player number 1, bounce, 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 exhibition, 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 bounce, 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 and pass it to play number 5. Play number 5, bounce, 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 exhibition, 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 8, 8, mabagal lang po. Parang di ka gumagalaw ba? Parang di ka gumagalaw. Parang di ka gumagalaw ba? And pass it to play number 4. Play number 4. Bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to play number 2. Play number 2. Bounce, 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 bounce. Spaghetti pa bang mabagal lang po? Exhibition, exhibition, and pass it to play number 3. Play number 3, bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. Oh, Joshua, mag-release! Gusto ko yun mo, parang na-time lapse. Parang lilipat na tayo. Ayan! Bounce, 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 bounce. And pass it to play number 4. Play number 4, bounce, 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 bounce. Exhibition, exhibition, exhibition. And pass it to play number 3. Play number 3, pass it to play number 2. Play number 2, pass it to play number 5. Play number 5, pass it to play number 2. Play number 2, shoot! Okay, congratulations sa our Team Mommy, Team Daddy. Stay lang tayo, Team Daddy. Stay lang tayo. And Team Mommy, ayan. Ito na po kayo sa harap for your prize. Ayan. Thank you. Please, punta po sa harap. Ayan. Kasali ka na kita. Hindi, baka, hindi mo ba yata?
Daryl!
Ayan. Team Daddy. Okay, Team Daddy. Asan yung kasama ko?
Eto doon.
Okay, lapit po sa harap. Forward. Forward po tayo. Okay. Dahil kayo ang natalo, may prize pa rin po kayo, pero sasayaw po kayo para makuha
inyong prize, okay? Ready? Handball! Practice pa lang to. Okay. Practice pa lang yan. Practice pa lang yan. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, tinitigan niyo pa lang siya. Okay. Noodles! Okay, ganyan ang inyong gagawin. So, audience, tatanungin ko kayo. Isa-isa ba o sabay-sabay na? Isa-isa. Okay. Parang natakot na ako kay sir. Natatakot. Okay. Isa-isa. Sino ba ang uunahin ako? Baka di ako, baka di na ako bayaran. Okay. Dalawa-dalawa tayo. Dalawa-dalawa.
Blair.
Ayan. Bale, kayo. Kayo dalawa. Dahil nakablock kayo, ayan.
Sabay na kami.
Okay, ready? Okay. Okay. Ang malambot. Sige pa. Sige pa. Titigas mo, mami, no? Okay. Ready? Yun, ang maangas sumayaw. Sige pa. Sige pa. More. We want more. Okay, bulldogs. Come on. Lower. Lower. Ayun. Ayun. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating dalawang kuya na nakapag-participate. Oops. Sino sa tatlo? Dito, mami. Ako na to. Bahala na ako dito, no? Sige. Eto, tanong to. Babato ko to. Babato ko. Ikaw lang maglisa, sir. Ayan, sige. Ready siya. Okay, Kuya Leo. Music, please.
Wala.
Ayan, sige sa'yo. No, please. Oh, Kuya. Ayan, umiikot ka eh. Ready? Ayun! Ayun! Hagod! Isa pa! Yun! Parang nagsakit ang tuhod! Bulldogs! Lower! Lower! Kaya ba yung lower? Malalim! Ayun! Ayan! Thank you po! Ayan! Sir, dito ka, sir. Dito ka, sir. Pero kailangan ko na mag-versusan kayo pagdating ng budots. Palaliman ng budots. Okay? Ready? Ready?
Basta lang bisares.
Parang malungkot ka naman, sir. Oy! Ready? Mas malungkot pa! Kaya pa yan eh! Malungkot pa! Ready? Okay, yeah! 1, 2, 3! Oh! Mas malungkot pa! Lambutan niyo pa! Ayun o! Oh! Yun! Ready, Julius! Yes, sige! Palaliman! Thank you very much for participate sa ating Zendas Game. Ayan. So, ayan, dadama na tayo sa ating 7.
Vincent, lagay mo na lahat yun nandoon. 7 treasures. Pag may message siya. At picture.
Ayan, message po for Kuya Bear.
Ay, Apo, happy birthday, Apo.
Yak na si Lolo.
Ayan.
Picture pa.
Picture po kayo ni Blair. Ayan. Ayan, next naman po natin ay si Lola Sofia and Lolo Lito.
Message.
Blair, happy birthday.
Ano ba kinakain?
Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata at may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Picture.
Ayan, next naman natin ay si Lolo Kiko, Lola Beth. Wala, be ready na lang po. Ayan.
Tita Ella.
Ano ba yan? May bata.
Oo, later. Ano sabihin mo, Bre? Picture, Lolo.
Okay, next up is Lola Ella. Po kay Tita Ryan, Tita Gina, and Tita B, and Teacher Beth.
Message po.
Okay,
Picture
po,
na lang,
sige.
Picture na lang.
na lang po. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Tita Ryan.
Hey, happy birthday, Blair. Happy to be happy. Everything. Pangulit ka lang na pangulit.
Picture, Kuya Ray.
Thank you po.
Blair. Say thank you. Thank you. Blair.
Let me call on Tita Gina and Tita P. Tita Gina and Tita P. Ayan.
Birthday, Blair. Sana lagi ka mabuti kay Mama and Papa. Makulit. Love you.
Pwede ka pa. Picture.
Next up is si Teacher Beth. Nandito po ba si Teacher Beth?
Wala, wala.
Okay. April. Happy birthday, Blair. Sana huwag ka nang makulit. Ayan, picture po.
1, 2, 3.
Ninong ma. Nandito. Ayan. Happy birthday, Blair.
Picture na.
Okay, picture po.
Okay.
Si Ninong Sander po. Nandito po si Ninong Sander.
Thunder. Paro.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Ano yan? Advance?
Ayan.
Nag-advance ka?
Si Ninong Nicolay.
Si Madam.
Hello, Blair. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko sana ikaw gumaya sa mama mo.
Ay!
Papa mo lang.
Picture.
Last but not the least, let me call on Nina Heidi. Nina Heidi.
Mamayawa ka muna.
Okay, picture na lang po with Blair. Ayan, sa lahat po ng 7 Eagle Bills, ayan, lapit na po sa harap for picture. Ayan!
Punasan mo nga to, Vincent. Punasan mo yung bibig.
Natin si Kuya Blair na happy birthday song as we blow his candle.
Lighter.
Happy birthday to
Lighter na. Ilang seconds na to?
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday
Lighter. Wait lang. Ito.
to Mommy and Daddy. Ayan. Daddy and Mommy, message po for Kuya Blair at sa lahat po na nakasaya.
Ayun na, sinirap from na Sunday. Ay, kay DB yan. Amaya. Hindi ba kayo nabigyan?
Ako, hindi pa ako. Hindi pa ako
Ikaw, kumuha ka lang. Ano si Cloud? O, saan ka si Cloud? Blair! Blair! Huwag ka nga alis, Blair! Umupo ka lang! Narisiptan ka ni Tita Ella, makalimutan mo. Yan, mayroon pa yan.